Hey guys, Gretchen here. Sorry it's been taking me so long to get these videos out. Not only has my schedule been nuts, but my face is swollen. I have a tooth infection. Anyway, it looks better today than it has the last couple of days. So this is the second herbal video. After this video, we will be getting back to Reiki. We'll be doing the rest of the Kundalini attunements, then head back to Kava. After Kava, we'll be doing Kava. That would be nice. Shambhala 1024, the Grandmaster levels, and then the Asui Grandmaster levels, and the request videos that I've been getting. But Danshen. So Danshen is a traditional Chinese herb used for mostly the heart. We're going to go over the conditions that it covers really quickly. We'll start with the cancers. Honestly, it helps with lung cancer, leukemia, breast cancer, colon cancer, gastric cancer, liver cancer. And now we'll get to acute myocardial infarction, different heart diseases, atheroscelorsis, thrombosis, angina pectoris, hypertension. It also helps with stroke, damages from stroke as well. Carotid stenosis, vertebrae stenosis, intracranial stenosis, aneurysms, and vascular malformations like blood clots, etc. When used for the big serious things like the acute myocarditis infarction, you're going to use it with hawthorn, coleus borsk, Oli, which will be in the description. It's an Ayurvedic herb, and valerian. That will actually get, boiled together to make a syrup. Feel free to email me about that. All right. So, it grows in a sunny, mild, wet environment. According to the Grand Compendium of Materia Medica, and it's in my Materia Medica, this is actually how important this herb is, especially with heart things. If you have a family history of heart, stroke, that type of thing, this herb is for you. Definitely for you. All right. It matches the heart, called Qi or red, Shen. It derives its name from the color of its root. Harvested in spring or autumn every year, its bitter flavor with distribution to the heart. It exerts a beneficial action by promoting blood circulation to remove blood stasis and assuage or get rid of the pain, clearing heart heat to relieve restlessness, and cooling blood to remove carbuncle. In traditional Chinese medicine, chest pain and heart failure are caused by obstruction of the circulation of qi and blood. So, Danshen improves damaged cardiac angiogenesis and cardiac function induced by myocardial infarction by modulating the HIF1A and the VEGF-A signaling pathways. This will help, especially if your family has the widowmaker in your family, the left artery. Coronary heart disease is expected to lead deaths worldwide as of 2 years ago. So this also helps to strengthen the entire neovascularization program. That includes the angiogenesis, the arteriogenesis, and the vasculogenesis. And then to match, it helps strengthen the heart to match the demands of the stressed heart, so the heart is capable of dealing with the challenges without deteriorating into heart failure. So not only does it help to get rid of the blockages, and please keep in mind, I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. Do not change anything without discussing it with your physician first. That's my disclaimer. So anyway, this thing, it's just amazing. So it helps to strengthen the heart, remove the blockages. If you have a factor V blood disorder or a blood clotting disorder where you have a family disorder where you clot, if this is used in conjunction with bilberry, that will greatly help. Greatly help. I would recommend just putting that into your supplements on a regular basis. Also, those of you who have heart disease that run in your family, I would definitely recommend this. The really, really great thing about Danshen is it is considered a Did I write down what kind of herb it is considered? I did not. Oh, yes, I did. It's called a super great herb. It's the simple things that you can't remember. So super great herb, no known toxicity, used for over 2,000 years. No contraindications either. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you'd like to see more, and keep in mind I do a lot of Reiki videos, and after this one we're going back to do a lot of Reiki videos because I have a lot of attunements that I need to catch my Kundalini people up on, and then we're going back to the Kava lessons. So if you like that stuff and would like to see more, please hit that subscribe button for me, and until next time, namaste.